mountain too tall, He cannot move it. There is no storm too dark, God cannot calm it. There is no sorrow too deep, He cannot soothe it. If He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know my brother that He will carry you. If He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know my sister that He will carry you. And He said, come unto me, all who are weary, and I will give you rest. There is that cannot solve it. There is no mountain too tall that He cannot move it. There is no storm too dark, God cannot calm it. There is no sorrow too deep, He cannot soothe it. If He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know my brother that He will carry you. And if He carried the weight of the world upon His shoulders, I know my sister and I know my brother that Jesus can carry.